Hi, Fred and Linda here for Tuesday Tent Talks, and this week we're going to talk to you about warehouse space. We've been in our new building here almost 5 years. It's just under 90,000 square feet, and what do you think? I can't believe it's been 5 years already, Linda.
I know. We have good space here, plenty of power.
Plenty of power, but one of the issues we have are the pipes. The pipes are just ringing here.
I can't fix these pipes.
Sarte, I need you to look and see. I got to make sure we have enough 2110s, okay? I need 500. Can you check? Thank you.
Hey, did you know that you could save here at Fred's Tents by bundling your aluminum? That's right, buying aluminum in bundles.
2-inch aluminum in 10 100-piece bundles and many other extrusions in aluminum. Here at Fred's Tents, you can save by bundling your aluminum. I really hope you enjoyed the video that we did. I'd like to introduce a couple of people. Pat McNulty out of our pipe shop is a very good musician, but he decided he was going to try to pick up the bagpipes. So we're going to have Pat play a little tune here at the end and see how he does. Pat, what are some of the instruments you play professionally though?
Anything with strings.
Anything with strings. So Pat McNulty from Fred's Tents Pipe Shop. Give it a try, Pat. Okay, cut. Sorry about that. Hope your ears aren't pierced, but now,
Make it stop!
so now I'd like to introduce Mark Kelsey, a professional bagpiper, a good friend of ours, and thank him for helping us out with our commercial here today on Tuesday Tent Talks. He's going to play for you the
Scotland the Brave.
Scotland the Brave. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Fred, for Tuesday Tent Talks. See you next week on TTT, WeMakeTents.com.